ESP or DSC light stuck on your dashboard. Here's why it happens and how to turn it off without a scanner. First, restart the engine. Turn off the car, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then start it again. Small electrical glitches often clear with a simple reboot. Now, check the ESP or DSC button. Make sure you haven't accidentally turned stability control off. Press the button once to re-enable the system and watch the dashboard. Next, inspect the handbrake and brake fluid. Make sure the handbrake is fully released. Check the brake fluid level. Low fluid can trigger the warning light. After that, check tire pressure and condition. Inflate all 4 tires to the recommended PSI. Replace any worn or mismatched tires, because uneven grip often triggers the system. Then, look for related warning lights. If the ABS or check engine light is also on, it may indicate a deeper fault like a bad ABS sensor or engine issue. Now, check the battery voltage and charging. A weak battery or low voltage can cause false warnings. Healthy voltage is about 12.4 volts at rest, and between 13.7 and 14.7 volts while the engine runs. Next, inspect wheel sensors and wiring. Look around the wheel hubs for damaged wiring, loose plugs, or dirt on sensors. Clean or secure anything that looks out of place. After that, you can do an optional electrical reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. This clears temporary faults but may reset your radio presets or clock. Finally, perform a drive test. Drive at a safe, steady speed for a few minutes. Many vehicles automatically reset the ESP or DSC light once the system verifies no issues remain. If the light stays on, it may be a faulty ABS sensor, steering angle sensor, brake switch, or control module. In this case, a diagnostic scan is required. Never permanently disable stability control. If the light flashes while driving, slow down and stop safely. The system may be actively limiting power or braking. If this video helped you fix your ESP or DSC light, don't forget to like, comment your car model below. We respond to all comments, and subscribe for more DIY dashboard light fixes.